Hello class 8th student, it's a part 19 exercise E we are going to discuss here. Answer the following questions in brief. Question number 1. Why do plant cell have cell wall? Why do plant cell have cell wall? So plant have cell wall for maintain its shape, for providing rigidity and protection. As we know that plant can't move. So they are stand in the rest condition also. So they need the extra protection. So this cell wall provided them protection and strength also. It helped to maintain the shape of the plants also. The next one. What does amoeba and WBC in man have common? Means WBC in the man and the amoeba organism. What is the similarity between them? So they do not have a specific and fixed shape. Both amoeba don't have the specific or the fixed shape, as well as WBCs in man also having the irregular shape. The shape of WBCs is not fixed. So these are the common in both. The next one is that why are cells strained before observing under microscope? Give a few examples of strain. So I have told you that cells are the colorless objects. While we want to observe them under the microscope, so with a different strain, we can see them clearly, their parts. So before observing it under the microscope, we have to strain it. By straining different colors observed by the different part of the cell. Which make this cell able to see clearly. Which make this cell parts able to see clearly when we observe under the microscope. So that's why we strain the cell. Here few example of strain is methylene blue, safranin. Okay. Next come. Why is cell division considered the basis of life? So as we read in the last part of the chapter that by the cell division cell gets is growth. By the cell division cell also multiplies, and after getting maturity it will be divided, and by this means by the cell division the number of cells also increase, the growth of cell is also done. So cell division is the basis of life. As we know that all the living organisms made by the cells. So if there is cell division done, then the new organism also be produced. So this cell division considered a basis of life. If there is no cell division, no new cell are formed, then no new life is formed. The next one is that differentiate between prokaryote and eukaryote cells. So on the behalf of nucleus, we divide the cells between prokaryote and eukaryote. In the prokaryote cells, nucleus is not well defined or not enclosed in the membrane. Second thing is that the genetic material freely float in the cytoplasm in the prokaryotic cell. While in the eukaryotic cell, there is a well-defined membrane-bound nucleus is found, and the genetic material is enclosed under this membrane. So this is the basic difference between both of them. Thank you students. Let's continue in the next part.